Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly walk you through that how to upload higher quality videos and post on Instagram or story. So what you need to do, go first is click on this three dot bar icon. Make sure you watch the full video to solve your problem. Here is basically simply a very short setting you need to turn on. What you need to do is go to on settings and privacy. After that you have to click on search. Okay. Then you have to type D. Then here you can see there is a bunch of option. You have to click on the second option, data uses and mobile media quality. After that you have to click on the second option right there. Then you need to turn on this upload at highest quality. After that you can pretty much upload the high resolution photo in your Instagram as a story, post or reels. Okay, so this is basically it. This is how you can upload your Instagram story in highest quality media. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel.